Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix the output from displaying like that. So you can get a clean HDMI output on your live stream or your external monitor, wherever you're broadcasting to. Easy way to do this is down here, there's the menu button, and then on top of that, you have where you can wiggle the toggle left and right. But go ahead and press on the menu button there. And when you do, it'll come up here. And you're gonna wanna go over to that fourth option. Click down and then click over to the right again. So it goes to that number 2. And then output on screen displays. It's on, go ahead and click on it. Go down to off. And then you can probably tap the LCD screen here to go back and then hit the X button. And if you notice, you have a clean HDMI on your monitor now. That's how you fix it. All right, guys, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.